Hey, what's going on? So I'm going to make a tutorial on this because I just spent an hour trying to find a good phone emulator and I finally found one, and it's actually Wondershare's MirrorGo, which I didn't know they had a phone emulator to begin with. It's super quick, super reactive, and I'm going to show you how to put it into Streamlabs because I was trying to look for a tutorial and there was none. So what you want to do is you want to add a new source and then go into window capture, which I found strange because I thought it be like game capture, but it's not. So you do window capture, and then you'll add the source, and we'll just do that. We'll just name it phone capture. Whoops, I gotta spell it right though. Phone capture, right? And you add the source, and then you want to do the MirrorGo.exe Wondershare MirrorGo. I don't think, yeah, the tool doesn't work because that's like the sidebar here. You want to do the actual MirrorGo. So then you hit done and you have your little phone. So see if I close that, it's still, hold on, what's going on here? Does it not work if this is closed? Oh, that's good to know. So if you have this minimized, if you have the actual app thing minimized, you can't do it on your PC. Well, that's good to know. Okay. Yeah, and so now let's go over to the actual phone area, and I'll show you how, just to show you that it works. So phone scene. So now we got our blank scene. And so I'm going to do the same thing that I did, do window capture, do the MirrorGo Wondershare MirrorGo, and there we go. We have our little phone thing, and I can, of course, scale it and whatnot, and it works still. And yeah, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this did help you, and I will see you in the next Clash Royale battle, because we're going to start recording that professionally now. See ya.